Very,
Walang
very
view,
close.
yun.
I can point
Hindi
it.
mo na
It's
kailangan
within
na
a block.
May
Point it out
pwede,
with
kaya
you.
lang, aawa ka dito, baka mabutusan.
Puta,
Not
foggy, oh.
exactly. They're not really
Naku,
counterbalance.
wala ako nakita.
It's
Wala
just
na.
run by the speed on the motor with the braking system.
How often are the,
Foggy, oh.
They're checked every 2 weeks. It's a really interesting procedure. We run it at full speed and hit e-stop, and then read the readings.
Yan, oh,
They check
ganda, no?
like it's like a
Ngayon ko nakatawa ko.
pad.
Na, naka-video to eh.
Binibidyo mo ba? O sige, maganda pa nga.
And they
Dapat
do
may harap ko
everything.
sa'yo para alam na kasama
They
ka.
move the position of where the car
ganyan
is on
ko
the
sa
rope
ano.
that's carrying us, so that it
Yan,
doesn't
puta
carry
mo.
in one place.
Oh.
It makes you feel better. They replace the cable last.
Saka
Pero daw
pa.
dito sa
Ayan. Ayan.
galing sa taas, oh.
Ayan. Taas.
Not on the cable.
Yun, no?
There's a hatch right here. and
Dito,
it
kunyari
opens up.
mahuhulog ka.
And then on, I don't know.
Nasabi ko sa pine tree yan. Oo. Oo, sa pine tree, oh.
Railing around it where they hang their tools and they harness
Ayun,
them.
oh.
Ito, ninyo.
But they
Dapat
just-
ko naman ako dyan, para kasama ko dyan.
Wow, lapit konti dito. Yan.
Sorry.
It does.
Next time ka na sasama, iwan ka sa amin. Wala ka ngayon yelo.
Wala ka
The
yelo.
computer system is so redundant that it checks itself and it'll monitor and it'll tell us load up. And then we have to adjust it into the computer and it'll tell you, it doesn't tell you like a length, it's a percentage.
Halo. Ayun, ayun, ang star. Ang putang yun ang liit.
Now there's a nest not too far from where that eagle is. It's a nest.
Para may picture ka rin yan, boy.
They stay pretty
Ah.
close to this area.
Sa bagay, maganda yan. Para hindi ano. Ayos.
If anybody's looking for the red dog, that is the red dog. It's a red building with tan stripes kind of at the top.